Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to add a site blocking extension on Google Chrome after the new update. If you're looking for a straightforward way to limit distractions or block certain websites, this guide will help you set everything up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version, so everything runs smoothly. Next, head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find and install all approved browser extensions. Once inside, look for the search bar at the top left corner. Type in a site blocking extension name, such as BlockSite, which is one of the most popular tools for this purpose. When the results appear, find the extension you want and click on it. On the extensions page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and select that. A small pop-up box will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. After you've done this, the installation will only take a few seconds. Once it's installed, you'll notice a new small icon showing up in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. That's your site blocking extension, ready to use. From there, you can click on the icon and start customizing which sites should be blocked. You might choose social media platforms, video sites, or anything else that tends to get in the way of your productivity. Most extensions also allow you to schedule times for blocking, so you can stay focused when you need it most. And that's it. Your site blocking extension is successfully added and ready to go. With just a few quick clicks, you've given yourself a powerful tool to minimize distractions and improve focus. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give it a try and start exploring the settings to make the extension work exactly how you want. Staying productive online has never been easier.